Hey, sixth graders, just talking about multiplying fractions. Remember, in multiplying fractions, if you have them, you have to change the mixed numbers that look like this into improper fractions. Remember, you multiply the denominator times the whole number, and then you add that top number in there to get that 7, and then the bottom always stays the same, so you get that 7/3. So again, now we're going to do that same thing to our numbers here. So we're going to do 2 times 3, and then we're going to add the 1, right? So 2 times 3 gives us 6, plus 1 gives us 7. That 7 is the top number, and that 2 will stay the same. Okay, then we're going to bring over the 1/4, and now again with multiplying, we can just multiply straight across. 7 times 1 and 2 times 4. That 7 times 1 will give us 7, and that 2 times 4 will give us 8. And that'll be our final answer. But just remember that you need to change those mixed numbers into improper fractions for this. Okay? Nice job again.